Morning, guys. It's what day is it? It's a Friday. I think August 15th. I'm in Whitley. Yes, I'm in Whitley. And my task, well, let's see, I don't know if you can see it down there. I did put on the Croker Coach Tours sticker on this side. Got it on the other side already. But my next task is to put my mirror piston on. So the idea is something like this, so that when the mirror gets hit on the hedgerows and things, it'll compress the piston and then snap back into place. I'm using the grinding or the angle grinder 220. 240 powered, the UK version. I'm gonna go get the cutter. Okay. It's a little warm out today, but I figured I'd get this done in the morning. It's a little after 10. Let's see if I can get this done before it gets too toasty. I had this piece of metal in the bus. I'll just cut the 2 ends. I forgot what I used it for. I drilled some holes already. I'm trying to remember what I had tried to make out of it at first, but whatever it was, I found a better solution for. So I'm just going to cut the 2 ends off. The locking mechanism doesn't seem to be working consistently unless I don't have the trick down. Grinding wheel is on my 110 power. So I just flipped off the 240 inverter and turned on the 110 inverter. So I'm going to be using all my different types of power today. So the 240 for the angle grinder, the 110 for the grinding wheel, and then 12 volts for my drill. Okay, that should be good for those. Let me see. I have bolts. I'm going to need basically a long 1/4-20 bolt. I've got some short 1/4-20s. And some longer, bigger bolts. So I need some, this. I got one. I got one. Oh, I got another one. Okay. I got a few here. Okay, those will work. Just need 2. I think I'll use the Allen. Yeah, I'll use those. Yeah, I could have used something like this, but they weren't strong enough. I wanted to get the thicker metal. Alright, let me go figure out what the next step is. Where'd those go? Put those and those. Okay, I'll meet you back up front. Okay, so with these brackets, I can put one right up here. Yeah, that'll be good. Metal flakes everywhere. So these wonderful weeds along the edge are stinging nettles. So if you touch them like with bare legs, it's not fun. But I've managed to avoid them so far, today anyway. I've had my share of run-ins with them. These ends can rotate around a bit. Well, if I get 2 of them, there's 2 holes here on the bracket. 2 should be good. Yeah, I can just go right in there. I think I'll pre-drill those holes because it's going to be 2 layers of metal. Got to go through the bracket, then the body. So I'll pre-drill the holes in the bracket. So we'll just go right into the body. Those are Just about through. Pretty nicely. Damage. Well, that's looser. There we go. Okay. So that's loose. That's bracket. That bracket's got to be secured. This certainly moves back and forth easier. Let me adjust the mirror first. Okay. That's pretty cool. I pinned it in, goes right back. I like that. Okay. That's I think that's all the work I wanted to do today. Let's put all the tools away and chill inside for a while where it's shady. That'll be. I was so looking forward to a motorcycle ride today, but there's nothing stopping me from doing one anyway. I just won't have any particular place to go, which is fine.